So here I'm drawing a broccoli. So first draw the broccoli. So and then draw the down part. Let me put some shades with the green and yellow color. So again moving to the next part, I am drawing an eyes and then the nose and the top leaves and then a lips is being drawn. Here's a beautiful carrot with a different emoji. So shade them with the green color and the red color. So let's move on. Here I am drawing a chilli. So first draw the chilli and then draw the open the door in the center and again draw the circles and then draw the leaves in the chilies and open the paper. Just draw the faces of the cartoon inside a chili. So first I'm drawing a different boxes and then drawing the nose and then eyes and then a big lips. So shade them. Let me put some shades here. So here I am using a red sketch and then opening the red chili.